Hello my friends, I just arrived to Pinckney Recreation Area, it's Michigan. As you can notice, the weather kind of chilly, mid of 50, and lake right there. So we're supposed to get some fish and try to do some fishing tomorrow, but they promise us rain. I'm ready for rain. Anyway, it's camping, who cares? But it's getting colder every night, getting colder. Temperature dropped close to middle 30s, and probably it will be my last camping trip this season. Alright, stay tuned and let's start my camping. Finally heavy rain stopped, wind stopped, temperature raised a couple degrees up, so time for dinner. And today for dinner is beef skirt steak, some salad, potatoes, and of course some wine. Cheers my friends! Potato first. Alright, already pre-marinated overnight. One piece and second piece. Alright, looks good. Steak is ready, potato is ready. Oh well, what I'm gonna eat? I can eat two. Okay, I'm gonna eat small one. Can you smell it? Oh, almost lost it. Today is chilly outside. I will eat inside. Come in. Alright, so here's a much warmer, and you guys care about football? I think it's the Oregon-Washington plays today, but I don't really care, it's just background noise. And I'm gonna eat my dinner. So guys, it's a very successful camping. It's not, because I didn't go for fishing, rain 2 days in a row. But yeah, dinner's good, and hopefully tomorrow we're gonna catch some fish. So drink for that. Cheers my friends. I'll try tomorrow to go some fish, maybe even tonight, because rain looks like stop. I'll try to do some fishing from pier, from shore fishing. It's a very promising sign. You can catch here large bass, roach, bluegills, all kinds of stuff, even pike. But windy and cold, and they promise rain next couple days, so I think fish are lazy now and will go on the bottom and sleep. Kind of shallow here, maybe 3-4 feet, maybe 5 at most. and I don't see any fish here. So usually lots of bluegills, but I don't see any. But my favorite spot where fish, it's right there behind horizon. Here's the next to this big lake, next one is small lake, so I usually go there. I spent already about an hour, not even one bite. After rain, all fish went on the bottom. Nothing. I'll try tomorrow morning. I'm going to local woods. I want to check mushrooms I collect last year. Puffballs mushrooms. Let me see if I can find some today. And this was spot. I found like a dozen of them, but don't see anything. Let's check further what I have. Here are some mushrooms, but I don't collect them, don't pick up them. I don't really know what is this, so if I don't know, I don't take it. Guess what? I found one, but I think it's too old. I came too late. Yeah, that's it. It's not good. It's supposed to be bright white inside. Oh well. Next time. By the way, I'm at a rustic area. Here's the campsites too. Walk in, tent only, but it's very private campsite. It's nice to be here in the summer. And in the distance you still can see a lake. Don't know what kind of bird, but they gliding in the sky and looking for food. And this is my site. I brought with me kayak, but I'm not sure if I can use it. It's too windy, too cold, and will be rain all day tomorrow. I woke up this morning and heavy rain, medium power rain, and just never stop. It will be all day. So my fishing cancelled for today. I will try tomorrow morning. Rain should stop, so I will spend time working my future videos for YouTube and watching TV. You can see Saturday rain. Sunday cloudy, sunny. So hopefully tomorrow I will do some fishing. Rain, never stop rain. But anyway, I decided to go for a walk. This was campground, looks like from a shore view. Morning guys, it's a nice cold October morning and I will try to go fishing. Well, not try, I'm going to fishing, but try to catch some fish. I have two news, good and one bad. Good news is atmosphere pressure going rapidly up. Actually it's a bad news, fish doesn't like it. And good news is when it's atmosphere pressure going up, it means will be no rain. So it looks like sky is clear and should be I won't say warm day, but will be no rain today. So let's go fishing. Okay, I'm good to go. Oh, forgot my glasses. Sunglasses. Anyway, to my destination approximately a mile. So pedal with speed like this is probably gonna take me forever. I will switch to my motorized kayak and hopefully we'll go faster. Oh yeah. Nice faster. Woo. Yeah, much better. So I need to cross this channel to get to different lakes. We are almost there. There. Okay, let's turn motor off, not to scare my future fish. It's kind of quiet here. I'm getting a little bit closer. I'm going to drop my anchor and start fishing. Alright. First fish of the day. Welcome aboard. Not very successful fishing day. I caught some, but not what I expected. It's not what I used to be, but anyway, it's fun fishing, camping. Alright. That's it. So much for fishing.